Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about inverter technology and some of the pain points inverter technology can have when you're commissioning the unit or diagnosing the unit, and how eCore's technology sets us farther apart than any other manufacturer in the industry. So the first thing I want to talk about is diagnostics. When you're working on an inverter system, to really diagnose what's going on with the system can be very tricky. Well, eCore's technology with our IoT platform makes this process simple and easy. All you do is open your app, look at the system, look at the error code, and it'll walk you through step by step on how to diagnose the system with pictures to get you in the right direction, what's going on. So it gives that contractor that peace of mind when they're looking at the system and diagnosing it, they know exactly what's going on. And they can do this before they even leave the comfort of their shop. That eliminates the need to roll a truck without the parts that you have or that you'll need for the job. The other thing is commissioning an inverter system. When you commission an inverter system, it can be tricky. A lot of manufacturers just say that you weigh in the refrigerant and you're done. Well, what if I told you that's not the full case? You really want to weigh that refrigerant in to be precise for the applications installed in. eCore and our technology makes that process simple and streamlined with our fully automated refrigerant charging. All you do is put it in auto charge mode, hook the tank up to it, and it'll do its own thing. It'll let refrigerant as needed and commission the product for the applications installed, making it as efficient as it can be and your customers happy and comfortable. Thank you.